In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine Visa gift cards. The short answer is that you can't literally merge multiple Visa gift cards into a single balance. There's no official way to transfer funds from one card to another, but the good news is you can still use them together on a single purchase by applying more than one card at checkout. That's the best simple way to get the effect of combining without moving any money around. Start by shopping online at a major retailer that supports multiple payment methods on one order. Stores like Amazon, Walmart, and many others let you split a payment across more than one card during checkout. Add what you want to your cart and proceed to the payment screen. Before you enter anything, it helps to know exactly how much is on each card. You can quickly check the balance on the issuer's website or by calling the number on the back of the card. Having those amounts handy makes the next step smoother and reduces the chance of a decline. If your card allows it, consider registering a billing address or zip code on the issuer's site first. Many retailers verify the address you enter against the card's registered information, so matching those details can prevent errors. Now at checkout, enter your first Visa gift card just like you would a regular card. The card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing zip you've registered or that's accepted for the card. If the site asks how much to charge to this payment method, type in the exact balance of that card. If it doesn't ask, it will typically try to authorize the purchase. If the order is larger than the card's balance, it will apply what it can and prompt you for another payment method. Once that first card is applied, you'll see a remaining balance on your order total. Add your second Visa gift card as another payment method. Again, if you're asked for an amount, enter the remaining total or simply confirm the second card to cover the rest. Double check that the combined amounts from both cards equal your order total, then review and place the order. If the checkout page uses terms like split payment, multiple cards, or add another payment method, that's exactly what you're looking for. Some sites require you to click apply after each card before moving on. Keep an eye on any tiny leftover amounts so you can use them first on your next purchase, and that's it. You can't merge balances onto one card, but you can use multiple Visa gift cards together at checkout to complete a single purchase smoothly.